Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Excellency, to me Ida Nabihonif, and to the honorable my teacher in high school, in junior or senior high school, and to the respectable all my friends and my parents whom I love, and my family whom I love. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Indonesia Sawa. You can call me Sawa. I'm from 9th grade, junior high school. So today I would like a presentation, my mapping about the causes and triggers of sneezing. Okay. Sneezing is one of our body's most common reaction. Okay, sneezing is one of our body's most common reaction, but we don't often take the time to stop and think about how and why it happens. So sneezing is often take the time to stop and think about how and why it happens. Okay, next, second branch is look. Okay, two branch is the sneeze reflex. Sneeze is reflex. Our bodies are complex machines, so while sneezing just feel like something we do, our bodies are performing many steps to make that reaction happen. Yes? Okay? You understand? Yes. Okay. Next in pre-bridge. Pre-bridge is about before the sneeze. Before the sneeze is pressure builds up in your chest as your chest muscles compress your lungs and your vocal cord close and say from Dr. Minus. Okay. So sneezing is pressure builds up in your chest. Yes, and this is we think about how we should think about how and why it happens. The sneeze reflex and sneezing just feel like something we do, and our bodies are performing many steps to make that reaction happen. So I think enough. Thank you for attention and sorry for the mistakes. So hope you like this video and hope you enjoy. So thank you. Bye bye.